Good morning, saints of God. I bless you with the name of Jesus Christ. I greet you guys. This morning, it's not a very long video, but I just want to share something that I've heard when I got up to pray. My husband and I, we got up to pray last week about 3 to 4 o'clock in the morning, and when we finished praying that morning, I couldn't sleep back, but he fell back to sleep, and I heard a sound. This sound was a very strange sound, and I tried to record it on my phone, and I couldn't get it to record, but I keep hearing this sound. The song, it was so clear in my ear, and I was even touching my husband to see if he heard the song as well, but he was so deep in sleep that he didn't even realize that I was touching him. But I just want to encourage you guys, to be ready, be prepared. Be prepared. The song that I heard, it's like a trumpet blowing. I can't even explain the song that I heard, but I heard it, and I tried to record it, but I couldn't record the song. I wasn't getting it to record on my phone, but I heard it really loud and clear, and I know God is coming. He is coming. I am not making this up. God knows I am not making this up. So I just want to encourage you guys to just keep in God. Get ready as the 5 virgins were ready. Get ready. The bridegroom is coming. God bless you, and do have a pleasant rest of the day. Bye.